Hey guys, I'm going to make a video about what it was like being a Garrys mod manager. And as I was a Garrys mod manager for a little bit of time, I feel I have a big qualification in talking about that. I have this situation here. This happened a few years ago. And this person got exiled, but I don't believe they got exiled for this situation, just to be clear. Okay, good job, Bambi. I asked you to check my app nicely and you got mad at me and started harassing me because you decided to have a day off so you could garden. You said that you community manage for free and it's your own choice, yet you still complain that I'm asking you a GGS related question on your day off. It is your choice and yours only, but you get mad when people try to sort shit out. I typed a whole paragraph addressing what is happening and what you're not doing, and all you could reply with is leave me alone. I clearly think that you need to leave your life out of the job and focus on what's at hand. This all could have been sorted if you weren't so lazy to give me a proper response the first time, but all you could be bothered to type was leave me alone. So what did I say to him? I told you 4 times in 12 hours to stop messaging me about your ban appeal, as it's supposed to be an instant denial, and you told me to do my job. You can stay banned because you wouldn't listen to my advice, not about asking staff to check ban appeals. Now, about leaving my life out of things, I simply told you I am allowed to go take a break and that staff members do this for free and that we are not slaves and that you are not entitled to us. I said I am busy on and off in IRL today. No details either. I told you to stop harassing me, otherwise I wouldn't look at your ban, and you told me to separate my life from my job. This is not a job. I don't get paid. Yes, I choose to help out. I do enjoy helping, but I'm sorry, but my life takes priority over a ban appeal for a rule that you have broken. It's Christmas! I'm allowed to say I'm busy without being nagged and insulted for not being available 24/7. You also broke the rant rules by targeting a specific person. This was Christmas? I forgot about that. Yes, but if you're going to sign up for something, you do it properly, not half-assed like you, where I asked you a simple question that could have been dealt with a 2-word answer, but you decided to give me a improper answer, hoping that I would stop asking. I waited more than 12 hours to ask you again, hoping for a proper answer, but no, you gave me yet another half-assed answer. Then I waited a further, and I asked you again. Then I finally snapped when you simply would not do your job. So I responded, a job. I repeat, it's not a job. Also, me saying don't message me about ban appeals is not equal to me not doing my job. I specifically told you I will get to it when I get to it, and nagging will result in an instant denial. And then I said, I went outside and I liked it. Is this the actual thread? I want to check if it actually happened on Christmas Day. So it happened just before Christmas. It wasn't exactly on Christmas Day, but it did happen around Christmas. So somebody said, stop being a dick and just drop it. You're lucky she didn't deny it the first time you asked her to look at it. She does enough and she doesn't need people like you acting like she owes you the world. Deal with your ban and stop complaining. She should have banned you, and I hope you get banned for how disrespectful you're being. So the owner of the server said that. Going out to play is so overrated. Oh, this is funny. So this community is actually making a new game. Yeah, so they're making a Mountain Blade it seems to be pretty interesting. They're going to be like playing a few things, so they've got all this stuff. So I guess, yeah, you guys should check it out if you're interested in Mount and Blade, because it looks quite interesting. But yeah, I just thought that whole situation was really funny. The whole like, don't go outside, do your job, this volunteer position. So if you found this Garrys mod management story interesting, I think that it's well worth coming and liking and subscribing. And if you would like to comment down below, feel free to do so. I would love to have you here. I've got a Discord server, so feel free to chat there too. And yeah, love you. Bye.